guys, today I'll be doing a Batman fidget spinner unboxing. That stuff in the background, if you hear people talking, that's my parents. So yeah, I already have a Batman fidget spinner, but I got no one. So here's the yellow and red one that I have. So that's the yellow and red one. I have this new one that says, fidget spinner it was $9.99. Don't worry, it's not $666. So yeah, it says work class, not school, at home. But work class at home. And then the packaging, it says fidget spinner right there, fidget spinner right here, and then it has the design of the fidget spinner, which is basically this. So yeah, little peekity peek right here. So it's this fidget spinner here. Oh, I like how it makes zero noise. Hold on, I'm gonna switch the bearings. Hold on, guys. So anyways, this is my fidget spinner, and yeah, you guys, let me take off the cap. So yeah, you guys, peace. Actually, it's only been a minute. Oh my god. No, I do not want this video to be a minute. I want it to be more than a minute. I'm gonna have to put this in my mouth. Don't get grossed out, please. Okay, caps are off. And that's the back of the fidget. Damn, what? Damn. Take out the middle bearing. So now it's just the way. Hold on. Okay, oh, I thought we were going to check out here. So yeah, I took out the bearing from here. And then yeah, I got to pop out this bearing. This is the front of the bearing. And the back of the bearing. Holy job. Okay, no, okay. That's it. I don't want to make the bearing silent. Don't worry, guys. It'll be silent in the near future. I'm absolutely obsessed with fidget spinners, okay? If you go to my school, you know that already. So yeah, I'm going to put back the bearing that was initially on here. What's up, Jay Dizzle? Look at the one that my dad bought me today. It's blue. That's my favorite. My dad bought me. I'm making a video. You want to be on camera? Go ahead. Okay. So yeah.
Even a little bit, so we're just gonna eat, so they can watch the stuff.
Damn.
Yeah, we're gonna eat right now.
Oh, broski. Damn, it's pants. What are you guys doing over there right now?
We're finishing up the wood right now.
Oh.
We just got 2 more pieces, just to put them on, and then we'll put them on the paper.
So yeah, you guys, I'll be right back when I charge this thing. Alright, when I do the spit test, okay? Okay, so I got my phone, my dad's phone, to do this. I can't. I'm gonna need it to do a stopwatch at some point. And yeah, here's the phone. the same sun. Let me go to my clock. There we go. Stopwatch. Let me give this a fairly well spin. Start. Okay, they're both going right now. Hopefully you guys can see this. There's the yellow one. The yellow one's already slowing down. And that blue one there. That's it. Oh, yes. That's Fidget. Okay. So this one is almost done. Okay. The yellow one stopped at 30 seconds. And the blue one is still going hard. If it passes a minute, I'm happy. Yeah, it's gonna do a minute. See, 50 something seconds. And yeah, that is a time test. Okay, it's at a minute. And it's still going. This one is just good for fidgeters, this yellow one. It's good for fidgeters. Okay, this is gonna reach 140 at the most. Oh, stay. Okay, good. 140. Okay, and just stay down because I have not spinned it again. Oh, stop. It barely stopped, okay? So it's 1:53, almost 2 minutes for one spin. So yeah, 1:53 got, oh no. 1:53, I think.
En el baño. Ahorita va a salir.
That was actually a pretty good spin. And my kid now had on straight. So yeah, that was a spin test, guys. I will be back to you once I just have the fidget spinners. So go to work. Okay, so what's up, you guys? I just got finished doing a couple tricks with the fidget spinners. What I know how to do is the pass. Okay, he has the other one. So yeah, this is the box, okay, and no one really cares about the box. So, Batman, banana, Batman,
Okay.
banana, Batman. So yeah, you guys, as I always say, stay savage. I love you guys. Peace. Oh, I need to my outro. This is not going to be my outro. Bye.